where is Pepper on here? It's very close. It's really down here. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. I just wanted to tell you, she wants to be my blonde. So look at this hair. Okay, and I am all blonde. So this is a big job, a lot of work. So what do I have to do? I have to make sure I do a lot of slices. So I'm going to do like slice, weave, slice, weave, and then I'm going to switch it around a little. I never do exactly the same thing on every piece because I want it to be natural looking, not striping. And then we're going to do a touch up on her too because we're going to make her lighter. Or I'm going to break her base. I'm not really sure just yet, but look at, she is, I would say she's about 95% pepper. She's a little salt in there, not much, but this has really got to lift up. So I'm excited. Stay tuned for a beautiful blonde 80s haircut out of here. All right, guys, so look at, I know she's got to lift up all these. Listen, where is Pepper on here? It's very close. It's really down here to like a 3 or 4. So we got to get a lot of that and go all the way light. All right. And you know what's living underneath those? Brass. So she already told me she knows her hair was brassy. She don't want brass. So we got to make sure that like when I do this back, we're going to take that out first and we're going to mix a new bowl of lightener because we want to make sure that it's fresh so that when we do her top and her sides, it will take as well too. But this will probably be done first. So I always want you to be thinking when you're doing highlights, especially a big project like this, use your thinking mind. What are you doing? How are you going to do? She says heavy blonde. Slice is always for heavy blondes. And then I'm just going to put some weaves in there and make it more natural. So stay tuned. Another slice. Heavy blonde. And I'm definitely taking thinner sections. I'm not taking big sections. So yes, it will take me longer. However, it will really be able to lift her to what she's wanting. And most people would do this like in the process where she has enough old hair that we cut a lot of it off. So she has all fresh hair. We let this go for 2 years, right, Lise?
Yeah, 2 years.
2 years. And she is traveling from
Pennsylvania.
How far did it take you to get here?
3 hours.
Wow.
You're worth it.
Thank you. And this is what I do. I lift this up so I can get closer. See how close I am to that edge? But don't put this right there. You're just going to do like just a little because this is going to swell. You don't want no bleed marks on her head. And I don't smash them. You want a little airflow in there too, guys, just so you know. Ta-da! All right, now we're going to do a 7N with a little bit of 8. And I'm going to do her root first. And the reason why I'm not doing a straight 8 on her root is because it's going to pull too much warmth. I don't want that much warmth, but I want her pepper to be a nice warmer color. She wants her hair color to be like mine. And then we're going to do 8N with 30 volume from an inch, anything over that inch, because this is going to be her touch up. And then the rest of that is going to be 8 with 30 volume for the rest so that hair could lift up beautiful. And she's going to come out a miracle. It's going to be gorgeous.